To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now long press the chat conversation you wish to hide. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Lock Chat. Review how it works, then tap Continue. Now enter your security method to confirm and lock the chat. You'll see a confirmation that your chat is locked, and the locked chats will appear at the top of your chat list. To hide the locked chats, simply tap on it. Enter your security method to unlock the chat. You will see your locked chats. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Chat Lock Settings. Here, you'll find Hide Locked Chats. Simply toggle the slider on to enable it. Then tap Create Secret Code. Enter a secret code using a word, number, or emoji. Then tap Next. Enter the secret code again to confirm. Then tap Done. You will then see a confirmation that locked chats are hidden, and your secret code has been set. When you return to the chat list, the locked chats will no longer be visible. To view your locked chats, simply type the secret code into the WhatsApp search bar, and you'll see the locked chats folder. And that's how you can hide any chats from everyone on WhatsApp.